はい、おはようございます。Very sick. Again. I have been eating only chocolate for 3 days. Then I got sick. This one, what I eat, like how many minutes I spend for eating all this? 10 seconds. Too much chocolate. Let's cook today. Little bit power meal. Let's go grocery. I'm using this for big teaspoon, small teaspoon. I often use so 75 peso. So onion is two kinds. This one is more water than more sweeter. So if you eat low, this one is better. This one is a little bit bitter, but if you cook, then it will more sweet taste. Ginger, this is too much. I need only few, like 10 g. Anyway. Can I have this one? Pork? Thank you po. Thank you. Fun. Thank you po. Sorry, today low energy. First, I will cut cabbage. Pork, ginger, cabbage is the must. Just take out the core. Then you just make it, how can I say in English? You can do actually like this, but it's really hard because you have to up and down, up and down. It's hard to do straight. So my way is take out outside, then push, then cut. How you use the knife is this part, you don't up the knife, so stay here all the time. Toe of the knife, you stay all the time on the ground, and hand up and down, up and down. Left hand, the basic hand is like this, like cat's hand, we call cat's hand, so that you don't get hard. Then rotate, 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 make it easier. You don't need to make it very small, but just try it. You know, if you get used to it, it's very easy. Then put in the ball with like that. And you just wash the cabbage, then put ice water because cold is better. So ice water, then leave it, then later and dry it out. Next, onion. Cut. Just take out the outside skin and you leave it this part. Just take out the skin. And next one, we will do pork. So this is for make it easy to grill. So between the fat and red part, there is a joint, so that you will break it, so that this pork, when you grill, it's usually going up, like round. It's hard to, heat everything. But because of you break the joint, so it will be stay. Usually pork ginger, we just slice the onion, but I will grind it. So use this and grind. Because of grinding, I was saving this part so that you can grind as much as you can. Did you know when you're cutting onion, you will start crying, right? I thought you need to wear goggles, but I heard the tissue put in the nose, then you don't need to cry. I didn't know that. Next one, ginger, most important. And you also grind. You don't need to peel the outside skin. The skin has more scent, so I wanna keep it as it is. The one problem of using skin is just the color. Yeah, in the restaurant they take out the outside of skin, but you know, in the house you just make for yourself or your friends, girlfriend, boyfriend. So just, you know, looks is okay, just with skin. Then to your pork, put the salt and pepper. When you grind it, put in also. So that water of onion go inside of pork, so it will become more juicy. And plus 1 teaspoon of sake. Then you will put all over of the pork. And sake will remove the pork smell, and also they will make it meat more softer. Then leave it for 15 minutes. Next is you rescue the pork from ginger onion sauce. Because those ginger and onion, it will become the reason of burning. Try to remove everything. Like this. Remove. Already sake and the water of onion go inside of pork, so it's okay to wipe. Like this. Take out onions, dry it out. After you wipe the pork, you put the cake flour so that the water not go out from the pork. The cake flour make the water of the juice stay inside of pork. And this one you save it. Later we will use. Depends on how thick your pork is, but usually 3 to 4 minutes. While we grill the pork, we will prepare for cabbage. Okay, then put on the plate. Then we will use this pan because the juice of the pork umami inside of here. Put back everything here. 1 big teaspoon of soy sauce and plus alpha. And small teaspoon of sugar. And 2 small teaspoon of mirin. And 3 shake of Ajinomoto. Then you mix. Then if you get little bit slimy, then sauce is done. So this is it. Okay, my favorite time, eating time. Itadakimasu. Ooh. So good and so soft. Maybe some of you don't know how to eat mayonnaise, cabbage, and eat. Awesome. The sauce is perfect. When you heat the pork too much, the pork become hard. But because of the water of onion go inside, then put starch, then close it, right? So still inside is juicy. The ginger, onion, everything is good. I want you to try it please. Like bring back memory of high school. Like I eat this so many in the high school. in the high school canteen, they have pork ginger shogayaki, so I always eat this. Karaage, pork ginger shogayaki, like one day. So really Japanese. So I want you to try and hope this will help to make, enjoy cooking. Thanks for watching. Sorry, my just dinner shooting, but I hope you enjoy. I don't know, I should have shared the recipe. That good. ごちそうさまでした. So good.